Alright, so welcome everybody to class. I answer the stuff via video every once in a while. It just saves me on some typing. Um, Usually the first week is just general introductions and you post something about yourself, but it looks like we got some eager go-getters, so I'm just going to post some or do some video for this section right here. A couple things you should know about open source software. It changes basically overnight. There's going to be a version number like every other week. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the software. It just basically gets a little bit tweaked here and there by the people that can change it. Since people on the internet can change the code, new releases get published a lot. This keeps the software really bug-free when it comes down to it. That's what I like about it. We're using all open source software here, and here's a couple things. So when you go to download it, this is the most important document that you'll have at your disposal for this class. So if you go to this one right here, this has links all to the software that you have. In other words, here's Inkscape. And you would go to the download section. Now the videos, if they don't match up, just kind of use your, common interest right here. Let's say 64-bit or 32-bit. Well, 32 and 64 work like this. If you have a predated computer to like 2012, you would use 32. Not many computers are 32-bit anymore, so I would try the MSI 64-bit. If it runs, good. If it doesn't run, 32-bit. That's how it works. Okay. Blender, same thing. Versions get launched all the time. Latest version is 2.74. Windows, again, 64-bit probably be the preferred state. This one right here is actually going to save you a little bit of time. This Dropbox script right here. This is a py, which is a Python script. And if you download this as a direct download, it'll come in as Welsh Keyboard py. And we'll save that onto the desktop. Now that is a pure Python script. So what I'm going to do here is a little trick. For those people that use multiple browsers, here this will just save you the time of going to find out the best way to download a Python script. Download this file and find it on your desktop and copy it and paste it. Rename it to paper. So I already got a paper, so I'm going to make a paper too. Alright, and now right click and open it with Notepad. So it looks like a bunch of gibberish. Ignore it for right now, just put it to the side. And then go back to your document, and here's the Python script. Well, this Python script, it opens up on the internet. Okay, you can use Chrome to download this, but here's a faster way, so you don't have to go get Chrome. Is just Control A, which is highlight all, Control C, which is copy, and I'm just gonna open this Notepad Paper 2, py, Control A, Control V as in Victor. There we go. I just copied and pasted over to a Python script. I just saved this. And this is what you put into Blender. You go File, User Preferences, Add-ons, Install from File, Desktop, and here's Paper 2. Should be about 102 kilobytes if you did it right. and it'll launch something like this, and I already have this installed. So if you go to community, it'll have import export paper model, and you have to just put a check there. I have 2 now because I installed the other one. And there you go. That's how you install that one. If you go to this is a great place to ask questions. It wasn't really ready for everybody to ask questions about software already. That's good. That's great. I like it. So this is a good place for you. And please know that, if we work together on this, it would be great. Let's say you have an answer to a question. Good. Throw down. I love it. Don't step on my toes. Go ahead and step on my toes all day long. I don't care. I'll answer questions. You guys answer questions. If you got something you want, if you have years of Blender experience, use it. You know what I mean? Don't feel bashful. The videos are to be your #1 source of reference when it comes down to the assignments. Okay? So again, on this document right here, look at it. It's got Unit 1. Here's the videos you need to watch. That's what's due. So there is only 6 units, but they are 2 weeks each. I'll post them as needed throughout. That way people don't get jamming in there and making a bunch of mistakes. This isn't a race. I'm a quality person, not a quantity person. You don't impress me by turning it all in at once and it just looks horrible. You impress me by turning in quality work. So take your time, do it right, ask questions, that type of deal. All right, so if you need to get a hold of me, email is the best bet. Posting a message on Schoology so it emails me, that's another good best bet. My email's in the document. It's also, just click on that button. Good to go. Welcome to class, and have a good one.